Hello there. I'm Rosie, and I'm ready to serve. I was designed to be the most versatile industrial cleaning robot. I can sweep, scrub, mop, and vacuum. Plus, I'll never call in sick, not to mention I can run for an entire shift without a coffee break, and thanks to sliQue, I come equipped with an extra battery to minimize downtime. ROSI Edge Clean technology allows me to clean those hard-to-reach corners. Humans are my friend, so naturally, safety is my #1 priority. sliQue designed me to go wherever you go, which means hard surface flooring and carpet are no match for me. I'll leave your floors squeaky clean and help team members focus on more personable tasks. The sliQue mission is to increase ROI for your business. You can track valuable KPIs and measure my incredible performance through the ROSI cloud.
sliQue